Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in the ever popular location here, Westbere Lane, number 22A. We're taking a look at here a spacious detached family home offering 4 double bedrooms, a 29-foot kitchen, family room and bar space. We've got the modern fitted kitchen and utility room. We're in the modern kitchen at the moment. Beautiful space to go through to. We've got 107-foot beautifully maintained rear garden space, plenty of off-road parking and the detached double garage here as well, all tucked away within a very sought after location. So coming through in from the hallway, we've gone through into that fantastic modern fitted kitchen there. Beautiful amount of integrated appliances there as well, beautifully presented. Then across from there we've got the cloakroom, and we've also got the lounge which we're in now here. Beautiful dual aspect space here with the focal point there in the fireplace. Beautiful inglenook fireplace there with the wood burning stove. On from there we've got this fantastic family room and bar area, absolutely spectacular. Huge amounts of light coming through from all angles there, and a beautiful outlook onto the rear garden. Huge amounts of character in this space as well, and a real feature of the property. From here we're going to go through and take a look at the dining room on the other side. Then of course we'll pop upstairs, take a look at the 4 double bedrooms that we've got here at the property at number 22A Westbere Lane. So coming back through from the lounge back into the hallway here, just along we've got this beautiful open dining space here. We've got the exposed timbers on the right hand side, just forming that sort of a feature as we come upstairs onto the first floor at 22A Westbere Lane. So we're taking a look at the first of the bedrooms here. We've got an ensuite bedroom first of all. We've got the ensuite shower room here. Lots and lots of light coming through from the dual aspect space, plenty of room in here, not only for the double bed but for plenty of further storage as well. So just as we come across here, we're going to go through and take a quick look at the ensuite shower room just on the right hand side of us. You'll see here that we've got the shower, a nice open shower unit straight ahead of us there, loo on the right hand side and sink on the left, and again that frosted window just adding a little bit more light into the room. From here we've got the rest of the bedrooms to take a look at here. Fantastic double-sized room, lots of light coming through from the front there, plenty of space for the double bed. And then of course we've got another 2 bedrooms to go through and take a look at, both double in size. Really nice room this one, with that little feature window on the right hand side and the one on the left as well. Family bathroom here, beautifully presented, really nice and characterful, with the shower and bath on the left hand side as well. So there we have it. That has been number 22A Westbere Lane, a beautifully presented, spacious detached family home offering 4 double bedrooms, a 29-foot family room and bar space. We've got that modern fitted kitchen, utility room and WC, a beautiful 107-foot maintained rear garden, plenty of off-road parking and the detached double garage, a very much sought after village location, beautifully presented throughout, as I said earlier, and no forward chain. I really do hope you enjoy taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.